Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 3 minus 1 bracket 3 minus 1. So let's start with today's video solution. So are you ready for this challenge? So what people thinks 3 minus 1 as 2 and 3 minus 1 as 2 and 2 times 2 as 4 and they failed the challenge. Yes, if your answer is 4, you are incorrect. Because as per PEMDAS rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis. That means this bracket. Then if exponent is given, solve the exponent. Then multiplication and division both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. But in these four cases, always solve it from left to right. Yes. So first 3 minus 1 bracket 3 minus 1. First solve the parenthesis. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 3 minus 1, if there is no sign, then multiplication. So we know that if subtraction and multiplication is given, we have to give priority to multiplication. So 3 minus 1 times 2 is 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So what is the correct answer? 1, not 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.